Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the painted glass bundle. So while I was making this card, I came up with a plethora of card designs. I don't know, I must have been in the creative zone. I might have been channeling Tiffany, who knows. But anyway, I'm pleased to announce that all of these ideas turned into an online class. I'm still quite a ways away from meeting my goal to the 2019 incentive trip to Greece, so I'm going to work my patootie off. The class details are in the link below or on my blog, but little overview. You'll basically get the stamp set and dies sent directly to you from the Stampin' Up warehouse with your choice of the Grateful Glass Designer Series Vellum or your choice of an alcohol marker combo, all for 80 bucks, taxes in, that's it, $80. Plus you'll get supplies to make 6 cards, 3 designs, so 2 of each, and 3 exclusive videos as well. Plus it's coupon days, so you'll earn a coupon to shop with the new catalog. Yeah, I'm thinking it's a fantastic deal. Anyway, link is in the description. You can register for the class right now. Super excited to announce this class to you. Anyway, okay, moving on. Here is my card for Monday. So I'm starting off with my precision base plate here, and I am using 2 of the dies that come in the bundle. One is sort of like a squarish one, and one is like the one that looks like on top of the window. I don't know, the dome kind of one. So I've cut those 2 out, and now I'm going to cut out the opening. So I want the negative piece here. So I don't care if it's on the precision base plate or not. And of course, I've just used my washi tape to hold my dies in place. So here's my opening. And now I have used my favorite adhesive of choice, which is a dry adhesive, and a window sheet. So this is a piece of plastic that is bigger than the opening there, but smaller than that whisper white thick piece of card. So now you can see I have a little bit of Tombow glue, and on the back side of my die cut piece, square I should say, I'm smearing just a touch of glue, not too much, like just a little dab here and there. That Tombow is pretty sticky, and if it oozes out anywhere, it is going to remain sticky, so you want to use it sparingly. So now I have another piece of card, and I'm just kind of centering the window piece around so that I can stamp the butterflies. And now I'm actually going to use a post-it note here and cut a mask for my rose. And then I'll put the mask over top of the first rose here. And then I'll be able to stamp a couple more and without having weird lines everywhere. So I have started coloring. I'm using Lovely lipstick here, and I'm breezing over the coloring because this isn't a coloring video. I don't want it to be super long. So anyway, I colored my butterflies in the colors of my choice. And then now I'm using my sponge and some balmy blue to give the background the sky look. And then I just used a little bit of soft suede. It's kind of a greeny brown. And I just sort of, I don't know, I wanted to make it look a little bit like, you know, ground or grass, or you're looking into the garden from this window. So it's not a shaker card, but it's the same way a shaker card is made. I have dimensionals on the back, And I did cut that back piece down just slightly so that it's smaller than the window piece. Here is my card base. I was struggling a little bit with it. It's thick Whisper White. All of the, everything except what I was coloring on is Whisper White thick. And so I'm adhering the window piece to a second piece of Whisper White. So I'm just giving it some dimension, and I actually liked the white on white border. And then I remembered I needed to put a sentiment. Can you imagine that? I actually forgot. So a piece of vellum here, using the Stays On ink, and that Stays On ink is a really fantastic ink for stamping on vellum. I'm using a little bit of Tombow glue. I'm adhering the vellum piece right over top, and then to cover any adhesive, I will be adding my rhinestone jewels to secure the vellum. And that is my card for today. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you again soon. Bye! Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.